Alright, kasama po natin for the first time dahil nakaugnay natin si Commissioner Ed Daico sa PSA. Ngayon naman, ang only lady commissioner ng PSC ang alamat ng bowling. Walang iba kundi si Madam Bongko. Madam Bong, nice to see you!
Yes, good morning.
Finally, nagkita na tayo dito pa rin sa PSA Forum kasi last time nagkasama kayo ni si Sac Ramin and of course mga awardees ng bowling sa PSA Awards. Ngayon, meron kayong ipopromote na mga activities with regards sa Women's Month. Dahil malaga itong Women's Month dito kasi ang dami mga sports personalities na babae na naglalaban, nagko-compete nga sa ibang bansa at nananalo sila mga medalya. Ano ba ang magiging reflections dito sa pagdiriwang ng Women's Month being the overseer ng women's sports ng PSC Mambong?
Actually, being the commissioner in charge of women in sports. For the Women's Month, we have a very big activity, which is the Women's Awards. All Women's Awards, which will happen in March 20. That is the biggest activity we have for this March. But then, for PSC staff, we have on March 8, mga empleyado lang, we have our own Women's Day. And we will have some activities like film showing, we'll have one aslufa, and we will have just a gathering among the PSC employees. And also, if you were to ask me my programs for the year, madami, no? Not only for March, but for the rest of the year. We will be having the Mindanao Peace Games, which is also all women. I'm part of, we're partnering with Noli Ayo and the rest of the Mindanao University in this event. We have also the Combat Games Festival.
Women's in Sports Martial Arts Festival, ma'am.
Yes, we have that sometime in August. We have a Safe Sports Seminar in April. That is also for the safety of all the athletes. And also we have the IP Games, sometime I think in May, we will have that. So marami kami activities this coming March and this coming year.
Ayun, so abangan po natin yan at i-cover natin yung ilan sa mga activities yan sa Sports Corner. With regards na dito sa participation natin ng mga babae dito sa mga tournaments, ang alam ko, isa pa lang yung Paris Olympian so far na babae, si Alea Pinigan ng gymnastics. At yung iba natin mga athletes nagtatangka pa lang makakuha ng Olympic slots like si Nesty Petesio and of course Aidelin Diaz. Naniniwala ka ba na of course may dadala din ng babae yung medalya o di kaya mas mataas sa participation rate pagdating niya dito sa darating na Paris Olympics?
Definitely, kasi marami sa kanila ang qualify ngayon. Of course, we have the weightlifters, no? And we also have some of the athletics na nag-qualify pa. So, we were thinking baka mga qualifiers about 15 to 20. So, hindi pa natin masasabi kung sino sila.
And lastly, I have reserved questions na pala pero later na sa PSA Forum. Nakita natin ang pag-angat ng mga kababaihan, especially sa iba't ibang mga international competitions sa sinasalihan. And of course, idagdag natin yung mga babae na mga kabataan natin na nag-uumaling sa sports sa pamamagitan ng grassroots program. Do you think alam na magiging active ang role ng PSC sa pag-ubog sa ating mga kababaihan to reaching the greater heights and to reach more goals sa kanilang sports career?
Definitely. I will be here to support them and to make sure that they will be assisted financially for their training and of course for their international competition and the national competition as well. So supportahan namin ang mga kababaihang atleta.
Okay, Ma'am Bongko, on behalf of the PSC Chairman Richard Bachman and the board, meron kayong gustong iparating na mensahe sa lahat ng mga kababaihan na involved sa sports and of course, do invite them sa mga gagawin pang activities
Yes,
ng...
of course. Siyempre, in line with the PCW, Philippine Commission of Women's mantra, invest in women, accelerate progress. Lahat ng mga kababaihang atleta at those behind the scenes, I'm here to invite all of you in the awards night that is coming on March 20, and also to be able to help us really push sports for excellence among the people.
Alright, Ma'am Bong, maraming salamat and we'll see you later sa ating PSA Forum. Good luck and God bless sa lahat ng mga activities na gagawin po sa PSC Women in Sports. Salamat po. Thank you.